Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss odd sounds, how to identify odd sounds. Very useful for first year English, intermediate first year English, both AP and TS. This question is there for both AP and TS. Question number 18 in AP also question number 18, in TS also question number 18. But in AP 5 mark question, TS 4 mark question. In AP it is interlinked with phonetics, but in TS this is a separate question. Okay, compulsory question here. So here we go now, how to identify. Let us do the exercise. So this is the exercise. Okay, yeah. Textbook, page number 228, TS intermediate first year textbook. So three words are given in each set. Okay, character, chapter, achieve. Circle the words that sound different with regard to the sound of the bold letters. So some letters are bold or they are in bold, otherwise they are underlined. Okay, character, chapter, achieve. CH underlined. Okay, CH here, chapter CH gives cha sound. Achieve also CH gives cha sound. But in character it gives ka sound. So this is the odd sound. So write three words. You can okay, circle this word odd sound. Otherwise directly you can write the answer also. Number one is character. Like that you can write the answer. Only odd sound we have to write. Similar sounds we should not write. Okay, odd sounds only we have to write. Otherwise write three and you just circle the word answer. You have to circle. Next one, grow, govern, gentle. Grow, G gives out ga sound. In govern also G gives out ga sound. Underlined or bold letter is G here. Ga, same. But in gentle, G gives out ja sound. So this is different. So gentle is the answer, like this. Now such, much, epoch. This is epoch. In such, CH gives out cha sound. Much also cha sound. But in epoch, ka sound. This is different, no? Cha, cha, ka. So epoch is the answer. Now come to the fourth one. Like, okay. Link, limit. I is underlined here. In like, I gives out I sound. I. In link, E sound. Okay. E. In limit also E sound. So link, limit. Li sound. Same. Lie, that is different. So like is the answer, like this. Next, center, class, come. Center is the answer. Many, at, quality. Many, Y gives out E sound. In quality also Y gives out E sound. Quality, T, E. But in yet, Y gives out Ya sound. Different. E, same. Ya, different. So it is the answer. Now come to the second set. Kite, no, knife. In no, K silent. In knife also K silent. Both belong to the same family. But kite, K is not silent. K is pronounced. So kite is the answer. Kite is the odd sound. Similarly, second one, that, think, thousand. That is the answer. Think, tha, thousand, tha, same. That is the answer. Next, easy, escape, sand. S is underlined. So escape, S gives out sa sound. In sand also S gives out sa sound. Easy, za sound. Easy is the odd sound. Easy is the answer. Next, go, to, no. In go, O gives out O sound. No also O gives out O sound. ఈ రెండు సేమ్గా ఉన్నాయి కదా. No, go, same. So to, u, different. So 2 is the answer. Hope, rod, rope. Hope, rope, rhyming words, same sound. But rod is different. Rod is the answer. Earth, earn, earth, each. E is different. So each is the answer. Okay, come to the third set now. Okay, third one, real, peace, fear. Real, fear, same. Peace, different. Peace is the answer. Fail, hair, affair. Hair, affair, rhyming words. Okay, same. Fail, fair, fail. Okay, that is different, no? Yes, fail is the answer. Fail is the answer. Stout, out, wood. Stove, ow, same. wood, oo, different. Wood is the answer. Thin, this, thick, thin, thick, same. This, the. These two, tha, here the is the answer. This life, drink, sink, life is the answer. Do, no, phone, do is the answer. Use, us, union, use, you, union, you, us, different, us is the answer. Ink, island, if, island is the answer. Thorough, this, thin, this is the answer. Sit, fit, right, right is the odd sound. Rose, chose, lose, row, cho, same. Lu, oo, different. Lose is the answer. Weak, meek, dear. That is dear, not dear, dear. Weak, meek, same. But dear, ear, different. Dear is the answer. Next, village, sewage, garbage. Garbage is the answer. Massive, passive, invite. Invite is the answer. These, thousand, other. Thousand is the answer. Public, pull, put. Public is the answer. State, take, walk. Walk is the answer. Age, cage, go. Go is the odd sound. Next, cheap, chain, chaos. Cha, ka. Chaos is the answer. Odd sound. Organ, order, owl. Owl is the odd sound. Huge, honor, hungry. Huge, ha. Hungry, ha. But in honor, H silent, H silent. Honor is the answer. Okay? Hungry, huge, honor. Honor is the answer. Public, pure, tube. Pure, same. But public, pa, different. Public is the answer. L, money, many. Money, many, same. L, yeah, different. L is the answer. Next, listen, after, taken. In after, T gives out ta sound. In taken also, T gives out ta sound. But listen, T is silent. No ta sound, silent. So listen is the answer. Now, seventh one. Head, bead, lean. Be, lee, same. He, head, he, different. Head is the answer. Time, it, I. It is the answer. Way, waste, want. Want is the odd sound. I, get, check. I is the odd sound. March, start, nation. Nation is the odd sound. Being, stage, morning. Stage is the odd sound. Okay? Please turn over. Next set. Exercise 8. Dear, dear, feet, street. Barely, money, rely. Why. Here, E. Look, book, door. O. Ant, above, apple. A. One orange ox. O should be underlined. Late, bat, make. A is underlined. Suggest, double G. Beggar, double G. Luggage, double G. Cap, tap, tape. Shake, take, talk. House, our, mouse. Buy, try, ray. Thin, this, thick. You have to get the answers. Very easy. Try. You try for the odd sounds. Call, C. Call, cinema, cute. So cute, call, but in cinema, sa is the answer. Cinema is the answer. Leisure, sugar, sure. Okay, sugar, yes, underlined here. Underlining is missing here. Okay, textbook printing mistake is there. It is not in bold also. Sugar, sha. Sure, sha. But in leisure, ja is different. Leisure is the answer. Arm, about, allowed. Exit, exam, exercise. Meal, measurement. Dread, break, bread. Break, bread, dread, dray. Okay. So what is the odd sound? Please try it. Okay. Break, read. Okay. So these are the sets for odd sounds. Okay. So once you revise it, right, so it will be very helpful to you. to score 4 marks in grammar. Question number 18 for both TS and AP. Thanks for watching my videos. We meet again very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.